Hey team, how you doing? Well, here we go. In this episode, what I want to do is just a shorty, just to show you guys how to balance the gold monster. Here we go. Righty, so the idea to get a perfect balance, you want to sit that about there. There we go. She is perfectly balanced. Anyway, all jokes aside, let's get into it. I'll show you guys how to balance up this machine. Hopefully it helps someone out. Alrighty, here we go. All jokes aside, guys, always good to have a little bit of fun while we're out here. I'll show you how to get a good balance on the gold monster. So we turn that on, keep that up off the ground, just go through all the normal startup procedures, all the initial startup procedures, leave that up as we do. Okay, so we'll do this on manual, full manual 10. So we've got auto. Okay, we're on full sensitivity. Volume's not quite full there, but okay, so what you want to do, you can hear that laughs at us. Oh, kookaburra. How cool is that?
Probably heard the monster and thought it was...
They're laughing at us. They're laughing at the monster. As we come down. So you want to get an average of what's in the ground. Okay, so it might be a little bit hotter here, might be quiet there, might be mild, hot. Okay, so we're going to move it around, just to get a bit of an average of the ground. All right, so we're going to go. Hear that quieting down? That's a perfect balance. Hear that slight distortion, that slight crackleness in there? What that is, it's just the machine slowly picking up on what's in the ground and tuning that into the memory. So if you leave the machine sit for too long, it'll go out and you'll have to redo it. Hear that? Nice and slow, just move around. Okay, in that last YouTube video, stuck in GPX mode filming because I've been doing it for so long, but I was going like this. Alright, that's not what you do. Okay, that was just a figure of speech, I guess, just to balance, okay? So most people should know how to balance properly with the gold monster. So we'll do this again. Okay. There we go, hear that? Quieting down beautifully. Absolutely beautiful, listen to that. Okay, so again, if you go to that last YouTube video, you will see that I was in very extreme grounds. Okay, let's go to... That's a target. I'll check that one later. But as you can see, that's running beautiful. Depending on what type of grounds you're operating in, that's how noisy the machine will basically run. So we're in super quiet grounds at the moment, very, very quiet, low soil concentration, very, very low. So this machine will handle like an absolute beast. Push yourself and go into some hotter stuff and get used to using it. Okay, and because the gold monster is so sensitive, like you might be operating in a spot just here, let's say 1 metre by 1 metre. Okay, we'll just stick with that size, 1 metre by 1 metre. You might get to this spot just here, okay, and then you might find that it's a little bit out of balance as well. And it's just a matter of, hear that? There we go. Okay, absolutely beautiful. Okay, then just take your time with the gold monster. It does get a bit challenging with the monster because little rocks, touch sensitive, okay? So it's just about taking your time. You might hit that rock, give you a bit of a false signal. Whoop, kick that out of the way. There we go. So we'll come over here, we'll do one more balance, and then hopefully that helps you all out. So I don't need to go into too much of the basics, but you hold the machine like this, okay? And then you've got the coil out there, and then you want to start off, let's say 100 mil, okay? You don't want to touch the ground, you just want to come down. Hear that quieting down just beautifully. Now listen to that, there we go. There we go. That's pretty cool, but yeah, there's a target here somewhere. So there we go. Hopefully that helps a few of you monster operators out that don't know, but it's more basic stuff for people that don't have a machine and get one. So I want to put a few of these videos on there just with a few of the basics to help those people out. There's nothing worse than getting a machine like as sensitive as this beast and then having problems like that. Understand, you just take your time, work with it very slowly, and then like I said, if you get spots here, you know, you might work this little area here, and then you might start going down there, and then it's definitely going to become out of balance because we know that starts getting into mild type grounds. So you just do your little balance there, and then just continue to work. Very, very cool. I hope you guys enjoyed that. Very short episode. And just remember, don't balance it on the stick over there. That's not the way to do it. I don't even want to say, if you made it this far in the episode, thanks very much, because it's only a shorty. So anyway, if you liked the video, don't forget to give us a thumbs up, big like, share, subscribe, all those things we ask you to do. Your support is absolutely awesome. Thanks very much. I'll see you all in the next episode. Oh, I'm out of here. Alright, here we go. Stumpy Junior. Whoop. She's all quartz. So you can see bits of mineralisation there. We've got some crystals. Crystal-y type stuff. Let me just get the monster. Yeah, I thought it was going to be in that spot. You can see the mineralisation just here. Alright, so what we need to do is pretty much just chip that off. Chip that whole top bit off. I haven't got my geologist's hammer either. Let me brighten that up for you guys. There we go. Oh, that was a little bit of calcrete stuck to the side of it. Let's see if it's going to be in that. Alright, she's definitely still stuck on there. So as you can see, that's that same material that we had down the bottom. Now it's probably just going to be in that. There we go. That just came off. Let's see. This is cool. Aha. Here we go. Perfect. Perfect. There you go, guys. That's definitely going to be gold. Let me just take that brightness down a little bit. Alright. Oh, something cooling on my bloody neck. That's very cool. Let's get it out. Let's get it and see. I'll see if I can... Oh, sitting right on the edge. Ah, don't need to... There you go. See that? Sitting right at the very top. Right there. Very, very, very small piece of gold. Let's get it. There she is. I'll check that again. Oh, there we go. Oh, that's a little... Oh, that's cool. It's a slither. There we go. There she is. That's cool. Beautiful, beautiful little piece of gold. That'll clean up pretty good. I'll see if I can brighten that a little bit. Here we go. Big sound. It was pretty much on top of the ground. So here we go. There we go. So it was a rock and I broke it apart. You can see a little bit of gold on there, but I think... Okay, so we might have another one in there as well. Let me see if I can find something that was similar size. Wasn't big. It's about a little bit smaller. Yeah, it was smaller than that. But anyway, it's all good. There we go. So I'll get that piece out, and then I'll sit this one here. Not going to lose it. And then we'll see what this one is. Let's get it. Oh, that's bloody tough. Oh, I should have me pliers, crush it. Multi grips work good on this. There we go. Slowly getting there. Oh, I'll come back to you. I'll just give it a crush with a rock. Oh, I don't have my other tools out here, so what I do sometimes is sit it down there and then just push. There we go. Just press down. There we go. Press down on that, and there we go. There's a very, very small, right there, very small piece. And then I'll just check this. All right, there we go. Drop it back in. There we go. Right there. There we go. Just another tiny little speck. So I'll get this other one just here. Take that off. There we go. Take that one off. Look, that's a bit bigger, that one. And then I'll just check that. Beautiful. There we go. Another two very small pieces of gold.